This is an installation and setup video for Bazaro in just 3 easy steps. First, click on the link given in the description. It will redirect you to the GitHub page. You can follow the README if you wish. But for now, simply download the zip file and save it to your folder. Extract the zip file to its own folder and navigate to the root directory. Next, open the command prompt and run the setup.py file. This will install all the required dependencies. In the second step, run the firstrunner.py file. Enter your shop name and choose the options as per your requirements. That completes step 2. Finally, run the main.py file. The first time you launch it, the input fields may not respond immediately. Just wait for 15 to 20 seconds or restart the app. And that's it, your installation and setup are complete.